I brought you the compact Ford Transit Class B motorhome. What is behind me is the brand new 2026 Thor motor coach Talavera 1930. It's a 19-foot on a Ford Transit. As you are aware, when you say Ford Transit, they come on a longer wheelbase with a dually. But this one, no dually, is a single wheel in the back, and it's a short, easy to drive. It's like you're driving a small van. The beautiful about Talavera 1930, it's on a lithium system. What do you mean by lithium system? That means I could run the AC and the other component inside the unit from the lithium battery I have inside the unit. Now, when you say lithium system on a 1930 Talavera, it's mean 200 watt solar panel on the roof. You have a 3000 watt inverter. You have 400 amp lithium battery on board inside that unit. Now, this is the most desired floor plan because everybody like the bathroom in the back and the two seating area, and the two seating area become a big, huge bed. As you see from the outside, this is the Ford Transit chassis. It's a manufactured by Thor Motor Coach. It has nice, beautiful LED light in the front with a nice grille. Coming down over here, they have the black rims with the logo of Thor Motor Coach in the middle. Then this is a solid, rough steel step bar on both sides and make it rough, easy in case if you go to a gravel area. It has a mud flop on the front wheel as well on the rear wheel. This is manual doors, very easy to function and operate. Nice windows. It has the trolley power awning with LED light. There's a plug here for 110 as well, coax in case if you want to have outside TV. In the back, you already have the backup camera. Is sitting on a Ford Transit 350, and as you see, is very accessible. There's the whole big bathroom in the back. There's a water switch for the water pump. And then you have light, you could function from there, 110 plug and a storage. They give you class 3 hitch in the back with a 4-way plug in case if you want to pull a small car or a jet ski or a small fishing boat. Going over here, you have all the hookup. So you have the city water fill. It has also you fill the water tank from here. This is the exhaust fan for the heater. LED lights so you could see what you're doing over here. You have a place to store your sewer hose. Another rough guard step from there. 30 amp power cord come with it. Satellite hookup. As you see, it's a brand new. Additional solar port in case if you want to hook up additional solar. And also it's a pre-wire for Starlink. So a lot of people now these days, they bring a Starlink with them so they could watch TV, social media, as well run their cell phones off the Starlink. So it's already prepped and it's already designed. Just matter buy the unit, plug it in here, and you have it inside. When you walk in the coach, it's typical Ford Transit. We're gonna cover it up when we go inside. Let's go inside and show you the Ford Transit Talavera 1930. It's a nice chassis to drive. I mean, I could not believe if you come over here and just try the driving, how so nice and easy. Those two chairs, by the way, they swivel. As you see, they coming over here and I could sit and enjoy the conversation. It come with a table attached right over here, and the table stores in the back. And I could put it here, additional eating table when I'm sitting on this side of the couch or that side or in this. So I just want to indicate now the two front seat, they swivel. Now notice if you start the engine on this unit, now start beeping. Why is beeping like this? Because it's telling you the seat is not in the driving positions. This seat have to be spin and put in the normal position. Notice what I'm going to do right now. If I spin it, hold on. It's easier when you spin it. You do it from the door open and make it easier to spin. You bring this one a little bit further so you could do the full spin. Now look, the beeping stopped. And that's telling you, put your seat in a driving positions. And that's what you do. Now when I start my engine, and you could see it's running, no question asked. Now the system is very straightforward. It has a GPS system, iPhone Connect, Android app Connect. You could control the AC and the heater from here. Very straightforward. You put reverse. As soon as you put reverse, here's your backup camera, and it has also, you know, the turn signals on this unit. So this unit comes with camera in the back. Straightforward. If one's come to here's, you know, emergency brake, emergency start, high ideal, you could do that, or you could do a lower. You could control right there the switches, USB plug, 110 plug, and then a pocket. Airbags on both sides, plenty storage here for the drivers. Even there's additional USB, the new C plug over here and 12 volt. So you could put a cell phone here, you could put it there, you could leave it there, whatever you want you could do. That's from the driver and passenger area. What I like in the Ford Transit, it's open, so I'm not hitting my head when I step up from the driver and passenger seats. Some brands, they put a cabinet here, and how many times I hit my head on it. But what I like is very open here, so if I'm standing, I'm not hitting my head when I'm walk away. Walk in the back, straightforward. This is on a lithium system, so it has the inverter controller is right there. So you could see the controller of the inverter. If I want to run the inverter, I just push this and the inverter's on. This is a smart home, so everything run by the controller. So you could see lighting, you control outside awnings, on, master. Here, let me do this off. I could do master on, off, and I could do all this. Also, you could just control the fans. You could control the awning. You could see your tank levels, water pump, tank heaters. Because if you go to extreme cold weather, the exhaust, it tells you the voltage, the faults, the devices, all that. Right here, the firewall. You could do all this setting is in right there and come with the owner manual, but we're going to spend minimum 2 hours with you when you purchase this unit to show you how to use this unit. And this is for the AC and the Truma heaters and the furnace. I'm gonna go show you the kitchen. Beautiful counter space, plenty counter space, and nice sink. You have a microwave right here. Then all this is the storage. And then this is your owner manuals, and this is the MSRP sheets. And again, we don't sell MSRPs here. We have awesome deals. And you could see there's already this. By the way, these are the wires is designed in case if you want to use your Starlink. If you come over here, you will see the plug for Starlink. So when you plug the satellite outside, it's already, you could put your inside device right here for Starlink. Your HDMI cable, which is right here. So if you put a DVD players with HDMI or device with HDMI, from here is already here. Coax 110, and again, there's a support area. You could put your 32-inch TV or 26-inch TV on a swing bracket if you choose. Reason why we don't add the TV, because we're price cautious. And again, this TV, we could add it at the dealership, no question asked, or you could do it if you're a handyman. And the reason why we don't bring it from the factory, again, to keep the cost low for you. When it's come to the kitchen, everybody tell me, you got sink, you got a fridge, freezer, microwave, where's the oven or where I could cook? Yes, they provide it to you. They give you this, and I could do things. I could use it as a kitchen counter space, or I could use it, that's where we store the convictions, and come with it is the Greystone inductions cooked up, and a sit here, and then this one go over right there, sit, close it. If I want to use just kitchen counter space, voila. If I want to use the induction, I just pull it out, sit it in, and there's 110 plug right there, and cook. So that's what's the nice thing. So yes, it come with one induction cooked up. It's actually located inside this particular door, as you see, It's very easy to store, put, close, done. This is a nice seating area, as you see, beautiful here. I could lay down. So when my wife driving and my back hurt and I want to lay down, this is approved. I'm 5.6 and I could lay down here, is no question asked. And you could see my feet. And actually they notch the kitchen counter space so you could put your feet. Also, if you want an even longer one, you could lay down also here if you want. Again, you could use this as a single sleeper. So if I take this piece only, let me show you. If I take this piece, I could sleep here and I don't have to connect those two pieces to make it as a big bed. So husband could live here, wife could sleep here, husband could sleep there, and no problem, especially if you snore. Like me, sometimes this help. Now, these two beds, they connect. And they're gonna ask me a question, how are you gonna connect these beds? It's very simple and easy. This, I just wanna show you, I don't know if the camera, while we're here, you could see the inverters, locations, and the lithium system. So this is the inverter, I could tell as the green one, and bunch of wiring. But again, this is just I wanna show you, that's only. And you could see the big lithium. And by the way, it's a 400 amp lithium system. Because everybody asks me, what's the size of the lithium battery? 400. But anyway, and then this section is very simple and easy. The way how you do it is bed is you stretch this piece and you attach it to this and you put all the cushion together and become bed. And let's do that so you know idea. Give me 1 second, please. Okay, you see I'm stretching it. And the easiest way is to do it this way. You're stretching it, you attach it. Now you look, it become one piece. Very simple. You drop this one piece back. Actually, you put these pieces, you put this piece in between. Okay, and you take that extra, and again, you could put it right here. Okay, perfect. You take that extra, perfect. Now, if this one you need more space, I could take it and squeeze it and put it underneath the bed. And now, I want to show you how beautiful and big this, here, let me just put this one, give you, because a lot of customers, they're going to ask me, could you make the bed for me? Yes, I can. Now, voila. I could sleep this way if I want, and take my comfy wife to sleep this way, or if I'm just by myself, voila, I have a big bed, voila. Whatever position you want to sleep, you can. But you could see the idea, how big is this bed? And it's very easy to do. I mean, some people, they say, oh, I don't like to make the, what it took me. Just pushing that piece underneath, hook it up to the other side, put this to cushion, remove everything, go to bed. Very simple and easy. And you see, as you see, you put everything back, and now you have plenty of room to walk in to the back. Also, if you don't want to see the bathroom, you have a nice pocket doors, and you just very easy to open them and just latch them. There's nothing to it on those pocket door. Going to the bathroom, they give you everything. This is a nice medicine cabinet over here. You have a beautiful sink with a sink faucet. Wash your hands, do your business. Again, nice shower. This is a wet bath, so there's no issue to the water's coming in here. There's a cassette toilet for the dumping, the black tank in the side, and this is where you flush. And going over here, they give you a nice curtain. You could spread it on you. You have full closet, hanging closet. This is the windshield cover front when you park and you don't want nobody see inside. Nice place for the toilet paper, more doors, more storage, and it's very roomy. But I like about this one, it is easy to drive, better gas mileage than the gas Hustler, easy to camp. You could park in any Walmart parking lots with no issue, and it's very roomy. So come to Best RV, grab this 1930 lithium system. And by the way, we have it in both way. They make them lithium system or generator system. Coming in.